Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we're here to help. So without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram search not working. It's a pretty basic and easy thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing and hit that bell icon so you'll get notified from our latest videos. Now let's jump right in. First of all, what you need to do is hold on the Instagram app and tap on that I button to go in the app information. Otherwise, go to the mobile settings. From here, scroll down and find apps. Tap on apps and a sub menu will appear of the apps. Just wait for some time, and as you can see, now tap on manage apps, the second option. Now at the very top, search for Instagram. Let it load. Now tap on Instagram and the same app information will appear. Now go in the storage and go in the clear data at the very bottom. Now tap on clear cache memory. Tap on OK. Once the cache memory has been cleared, go and open up the Play Store or App Store and search for Instagram right here. Now make sure that your Instagram app has been updated. If not updated first, now go back and refresh the Instagram app and check your internet connection. And that's all. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestions, just leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.